In this video, I'm going to talk about our on-demand creative program and how it allows you to leverage talented designers and video pros on demand to power your brand. So the fact is, design does matter. You are being judged every day based on your website design, your social content, your videos, your ads, your emails, and more. And if they don't look professional, people will assume you are not either. And that's the hardcore truth. So our goal is to make your brand look like the Nike of your hometown or your industry, and the results will follow. So let's take a look at some of the common things that our creative team can do for you to make your brand beautiful. First off, we can help you keep your website fresh. So some things we do commonly there are design your website from scratch, basically create the website of your dreams. We can design landing pages whenever you need them. We can update your design of your banners on your website, maybe based on seasonality or monthly promos. We can create videos for your top products and services. Basically, whatever you need on your website, we have a team of talented people standing by that can take care of it for you. We can also help you create professional videos at scale. So creating videos is very time consuming. It takes a particular talent. It also takes certain software and equipment. Our team has all of that. So some common videos that we create for the different brands that we work with are company videos, basically selling on who you are, what you do, what makes you different, right? Why somebody should choose you are really the topics there. We also can create short product and service highlight videos, really highlighting your top products and services and why those things are valuable and why they're worth every penny. We can also help create short, eye-catching animated videos on social media, which is just great, basically snackable micro content for social media that helps build your awareness. We can also create brand representative videos. This is really cool because we have actors on staff that you can choose from that basically can speak as your brand representative and talk about maybe 5 tips on X product or X service that is just good, engaging content for your website, good for sales collateral, good for your social media accounts, email campaigns, and everything in between. We can also create customer story videos. So if you have customers that are really happy with your products or services, we can create a video based on an interview with them that you can really highlight on your website and on social media. And we can also create any other type of video that you need, whether it's a 3D graphic or some motion graphics, maybe your logo animations. We can do all of that for you. We can also help create high quality email templates. So email is still a really successful channel. It drives a lot of sales, has a huge return on investment, but creating emails can be time consuming. So our team can take your content ideas or what you want to promote for the month and really design a beautiful email template that stands out and makes you extremely professional. Some common email templates that we design are monthly promos, maybe automated emails and thank you messages, lead drip campaigns, customer drip campaigns. We can do review email requests. We can do anything that you need when it comes to email. We can also help create engaging social posts for you. So we can do everything from creating the content and designing the social post as well, or you can provide us bullet points of content or snippets of content that you would like images designed to support. We can also do that. So maybe you have a knack for creating content. You can highlight some things that you want to really push out on social media from a content perspective, but struggle with designing the visuals to support that. Our team can take care of that for you. Just send it over and we'll do that. So some different social posts that are commonly designed by our team. We design images relevant to your content like we talked about. We can highlight specific products and services. We can highlight customer reviews. We can create short animated posts for social media. We can do relevant quotes or stats and design something nice there for you. Or we can design whatever else you need. We can also create eye-catching ad campaigns. So what we want to do is make sure that you have beautiful ads that look beautiful on all channels, on Google, on Bing, on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, wherever the ad is being seen. We want it to be formatted for that particular platform and really designed for that particular platform and that audience. So based on your overall campaign strategy, we can then develop all the ads and design all the ads so it's a beautiful funnel leading to sales for your brand. And then here's some other common areas that we can help and often work with brands on with logo design and branding, product photography. If you want to send your products to us, we have a beautiful studio. We can take pictures of those products, take videos of those products, etc. We can do custom graphics and animations, brand representative videos like we talked about with our actors on staff and voiceover talents on staff. We can do 3D product renderings of your products that people can really like spin and move online and really analyze your product in more detail. We can even do print design like letterheads, trade show displays, business cards, and swag like t-shirts and hoodies. We can design all of that for you as well. So here's how it works. You buy creative credits on demand. You'll have those creative credits in your account inside of Marketing 360. It's $1 per credit. And then based on the tasks that you need us to knock out, there's a certain amount of credits associated with that. So for example, here an email template might be 100 credits. A brand representative video might be 600 credits. You'll always get a quote up front when you submit the work with a turnaround time. Turnaround time is generally 5 to 7 business days, which is really fast in the industry of creative. And so if you get your work in and you're ahead of it and you're proactive, turnaround should never be an issue. If it's going to be longer than that, you'll be provided that expectation up front. Make sure that you're bought into it before the work is ever completed and before credits are ever used. If you need revisions, no problem. We can make as many revisions as you need. Every round of revisions will require additional creative credits based on the amount of revisions needed and the amount of time that will take. So hopefully this video was helpful in helping you better understand our on-demand creative services. We have amazingly talented designers and video pros on staff. This is not outsourced work. These are real people on staff. We don't outsource jack. These people are highly talented. They understand your brand and they're passionate about creating engaging, high quality work. So give us a try. Talk to one of our marketing consultants today. If you have any additional questions, they'd be happy to walk you through our process. It's totally free, and just make sure that it makes sense for your brand and helps align with your goals there. But ultimately, hiring a freelancer is hard to manage. Hiring an in-house team is extremely expensive. There's no better way to create a beautiful brand than our creative on-demand services that allow you to assign the work when you need it to high talented individuals that can knock it out generally within 5 to 7 business days. Thanks for watching and happy marketing.